Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbud SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings, and after that open the charging case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, it will enter to pairing mode automatically, but we can also enter to pairing mode manually. To enter pairing mode manually, you need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light right here starts flashing. Here we go. And now we can also see it at the device list. Then you need to click connect near to it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!